Each year, more than 200,000 people in the U.S. are diagnosed with hepatitis C. It's an infection caused by a virus that attacks the liver, and if you don't take care of it, it can cause some serious problems. So this week, you can take advantage of free screenings and testing at one event. Here to tell us more about the Elimination Awareness Tour is Secretary of the Houston Viral Hepatitis Task Force, Eliot Davis. Good morning.
Good morning. Thanks for
coming in. So tell us, first of all, for anybody who maybe is like, wait, which one is hepatitis? Explain to us what the virus is.
Well, and I'm going to keep it, I know we're short on time, so I'm going to barely skim the surface here. But it's essentially a virus that attacks the liver, and roughly 2.4 million Americans have it, but many don't know it.
How do you get this one?
It's bloodborne, so it is with blood-to-blood contact with an infected source, but this can be anything from unregulated tattoos and piercings to shared needles or other personal items such as razors or nail clippers.
So who would be at risk? Just anybody who would come in contact with things like that?
Yes, and the CDC now recommends that everyone over the age of 18 be tested at least once in their life.
Really?
Yes.
So because you could potentially have it and really not know it,
and not know it. And that's the thing, is you can have it for years and not have symptoms, but the long-term effects can be devastating. Liver damage, cirrhosis, even cancer.
So why is it important to get the early diagnosis and maybe perhaps find out if you have it even if you don't have symptoms?
Because we have treatment available, and treatment has evolved significantly over the last decade.
Right.
So, it's not it used to be the side effects of the medication were as debilitating as the illness itself, and that is not the case anymore. 8 to 12 weeks, 95% cure rate.
That is wonderful. What is the new medication? Is it an IV?
There are several, and they're pills, but there's several out there on the market, and I'll let the viewers do their own discussion with their doctor on that one.
But it can completely eliminate it? You wouldn't have hepatitis C anymore?
Yes, ma'am.
That's great. So tell me about the Elimination Tour. It's starting tomorrow, but what is it? What are you guys doing?
Well, so this is part of a national ongoing effort. They're providing free testing, and thanks to the collaboration with some amazing local partners, we're able to provide linkage to treatment as well. And this is all, it's in the aim to not only increase awareness of hepatitis C, but to expand the access to care, which can be a barrier to many. Mm-hmm. And so it's all towards the common goal of eliminating hepatitis, which is no coincidence that we structured the event tomorrow to take place. It is the 4th annual Hepatitis Symposium, and that's supported by the Houston Health Department and Baylor College of Medicine's Houston AIDS Education and Training Center.
Where is it going to be located?
That'll be at the Sunnyside MultiService Center, 4410 Reed Road. Okay,
in Sunnyside. All right, and what will people be able to get out of it if they go there? What will they learn?
Well, so we'll definitely go more into the details of hepatitis, from symptoms to risk factors, prevention and treatment, but we'll also have a handful of community partners out there providing other services as well, HIV, STI testing, PrEP access, harm reduction resources, and even insurance enrollment navigation.
That's great. So a lot of health resources out there. That's wonderful. Do people need to register in advance, or can they walk up and say, I'm here for the testing?
Stop on by. It's 9 to 2 tomorrow. The results do take about 20 minutes, so we ask that if you're wanting to get screened, try to get there before 1:40. But come on by. It'll be obvious. It'll be a big presence in the parking lot.
All right, very good. Eliot Davis, thank you so much for all that information.
Well, thank you,
we appreciate it.
I very much appreciate it.
We'll clip this as well and have it on click2houston.com in case you missed any of it. You can go back and rewatch it. Again, if you'd like to attend, the event is happening tomorrow and Saturday.
Yes, ma'am. Well, there'll be Saturday morning at the Beacon downtown.
Excellent. So we've got a Wednesday and a Saturday from 9 to 2. If you want to get tested, you got to get there by 1:40 because the results take about 20 minutes.
And it's 7 to noon on Saturday.
Oh, 7 to noon on Saturday. Sorry. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming in. We appreciate it.